Hello, today I will show you how to put in a SIM and micro SD card into your Samsung Galaxy A9. First, let's start by pushing and holding the power button to turn off our phone. Let's maybe first unlock it. Now push and hold and select power off. Let's wait for the phone to power down. This makes it more secure. Now let's take our phone, and in here in the upper left part of the phone there is a small opening. Use something like an office clip or the official tool to put it inside and push so that a tray comes out. Now put out the tray, and as you can see we have place for two SIM cards in our Samsung Galaxy A9 and a single micro SD card. Now let's take our SIM card and put it in the first tray. Here, this is the SIM card slot 1, and let's take our micro SD card and put it in the micro SD slot, just like that. Now let's take our phone and simply put everything back in, just like that. And now let's power up our phone and check if it works nicely by holding the power button. And here we are, just like that, our phone is now working. Let's check by going into settings and then device maintenance and storage. And as you can see, our SD card is shown as having 30 gigs of space. So that's the easiest and best way to put a SIM and SD card into your phone. Hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.